Have you ever wondered how to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript? Well, the answer lies in a concept called promises. Promises are like a beacon in the stormy sea of asynchronous JavaScript, guiding you towards cleaner and more structured code. So, what exactly is a promise? In JavaScript, a promise is an object that represents the eventual outcome of an asynchronous operation. It could either be a successful completion or a failure, each with its resulting value. Promises can exist in three states. The pending state is the initial status of a promise, indicating that the asynchronous operation is still in progress. Then there's the fulfilled or resolved state, which signifies a successful completion of the operation. And finally, the rejected state, which occurs when the operation fails. Now, how do you create a promise? You can do so by using the promise constructor. This constructor accepts a function, commonly known as the executor, as an argument. The executor function in turn takes two arguments, resolve and reject. The resolve is called when the operation is successful, and the reject is called when it fails. Once a promise is created, you can consume it using the then method for a successful resolution and the catch method for a rejection. This way you can handle both the outcomes of an asynchronous operation. But what if you want to execute multiple asynchronous operations sequentially? That's where the power of chaining promises comes into play. You can simply chain them together using the then method. Now, if you're looking for a cleaner syntax to work with promises, ES8 introduced the async and await keywords. The async keyword marks a function as asynchronous, while the await keyword pauses the execution of an async function until a promise is resolved. To sum it all up, promises in JavaScript are a powerful tool that offer a structured approach to handle asynchronous operations. They improve code readability, especially when dealing with complex operations. So, the next time you're diving into the ocean of asynchronous JavaScript, remember to take promises along. They'll be your lifebuoy, ensuring you don't get lost in the waves of callbacks.